My name is Vikas Sharma, and I am working as a national head for security and surveillance business in Zebronics. And we are participating here and have launched a lot of new products. So one of the product is this. This is our AI Edge box. So this is something unique. Like if you have existing IP camera setup, so any camera you want some AI feature, you connect with this box, and this box will convert any ordinary IP camera into AI. So like you can see here, it will capture the face and then the age, it is youth, male, female, is wearing glass or not. All details will be here. Second, you can convert blacklist and whitelist. You can add blacklist and whitelist. So if any person, any unwanted person who is blacklisted is coming on that particular camera premise, so it will give you pop-up and alert. So before any incident, you are aware. So it will alarm you. So this is something unique which converts any ordinary IP camera into AI. Yeah. So we are making all these products. Even this is our in-house product we are making in India. Other than that, we have launched Nexa series product, which is running very well in the market. Here also we are getting very good response. So that is our in-house factory product. We have factory in Chennai. So we have all the 500 staff who are working day and night for factories. So there we are making these cameras and NVR. For that we are having our own software, CMS software. It is also having video analytics. So those everything we are making in the country only. We got the Indian BIS for Make in India. So USP is Zebronics is always premium for masses. So we give all the premium product, but it will be affordable to most of the people. So that is our strategy. And second thing, pardon what you asked, certifications. So certifications at present, we have the basic whatever the iOS is required, the factory certifications, factory establishment certifications by Government of India. Second, wherever it is BIS required, we have all the Indian manufacturing BIS certifications. Other than that, the recent, which is a very good initiative of Indian government for STQC and BIS ER. So we have applied for few models, and we are very hopeful for next coming months we are getting BIS ER for our Wi-Fi range of cameras, because it is already under testing and all. So but the initiative is very good and very hopeful, because we recently applied for the BIS of our all HD camera range, and we have received last month. So again we are working on the ER side, so we'll be getting very soon on this. (2026) will be a very big for Zebronics surveillance overall, because the company overall turnover is approximately 1800 CR, and now the next target is 2500 CR altogether. So and this is the segment CCTV security product which is having big potential all over India. And Zebronics always we come with the strategy so that it is affordable to all. So once Zebronics is here, the camera will be affordable to most of the people in the country. Even we will reach all the rural wherever it is required with a very good price point. So we are very hopeful for this 2026 to multiply the existing business at least 4 times.
For more information, please visit www.ncnonline.net.